welcome to Sunshine Snacks. Sorry, it's been a while. Summer was busy. I am back now, so let's get to snacking. Today I am going to try these yummy knobs. These are iced orange cream cakes from Little Debbie. It's supposed to say it tastes like orange creamsicles. Okay. It looks like a orange zebra. I know we don't have any orange zebras around here, but it looks like an orange zebra. It feels like clouds. It does feel like clouds. Hard clouds. Smells like orange cake. An orange cake. And now my favorite part, the knobby. And I just knocked out my Wi-Fi. It tastes like an orange cream popsicle. You should really try this. This is really good. Well, good or bad, I had so much fun tasting numbing goodies with you. Today, come back again for more. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more of Sunshine Snacks. Bye bye.